An out-of-the-line investigation has revealed that about 2.5 million burglary cases happen in America in a year, with 66% to be reported home break-ins and 35% easy access through the front door. This stat was arrived at with the evolution of reported cases only. What about unreported cases? Property crimes in 2015 resulted in losses estimated at $14.3 billion, at an average of $2,251 lost per burglary. Will this give a positive economic impact? Security experts discovered that homes without a security system are 300% more likely to be burglarized, while only 17% of houses have a security system in place. This deduced that 83% of homes are likely to be burglarized in less than 10 minutes when no one is at home. 60% of convicted burglars said the presence of a security system influenced their decision to target a different home. Are you ready for a secured home or not? What are you waiting for? Visit the link below now and get exclusive offers while you save money on your security system.